Unboxing and setting up the HP LaserJet Pro 4001 through 4004 NE, DNE, and DWE HP Plus printer series. Open the box and remove the setup guide and other documentation included with the printer. Remove the printer power cord and USB cable if one is present and set them aside. Remove the styrofoam end cap from the box. With the box on its side, grasp the packaging and pull to remove the printer from the box. Remove the plastic bag from the printer. Remove the clear plastic shield from the display panel and HP symbol. Slide out the input tray and slide the paper width guides to the sides of the tray. Place paper in the tray and adjust the guides so that they are resting against the edges of the paper. Slide the tray back into the printer. Plug the power cord into the rear of the printer and plug the other end into a power source. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button and the printer powers on. If you would like to set up your printer on your network with an Ethernet cable, connect one at this time. If you would prefer a wireless connection, your printer will remain in wireless setup mode for 2 hours. Do not connect any cables at this time and proceed to the next step. Note: this video will proceed with a wireless setup process. If you are connecting with an Ethernet cord, not all steps will pertain to you. Follow the prompts you receive on the printer and your computer to complete the Ethernet cord setup process. When the printer is powered on, the control panel displays the setup URL. On your computer, open a web browser and go to hpsmart.com/setup. Note: some of the screens you see during the setup process might differ depending on your operating system and the latest updates to the process. You must also set up the printer with a PC. You cannot set up your printer with a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet. On the Set Up a New Printer page, click Begin Setup, and then click Install HP EasyStart to download the software. After the software has downloaded, click the .exe file and follow the on-screen prompts to install HP EasyStart. HP EasyStart searches for printers in setup mode and printers that are already connected to your network. The printers that are detected display on the screen. If multiple printers are detected, click the printer that you want to set up. If the printer is not found or not listed, follow the on-screen instructions to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow the on-screen instructions in the HP EasyStart software to connect the printer to your network. To confirm your proximity to the printer, a message displays in HP EasyStart with instructions to select OK on the printer control panel. On the printer control panel, press the OK button. HP EasyStart configures the printer and adds it to the network. The network settings screen displays in the software. Click Continue. Note: if prompted to continue with a firmware update, click Yes. When the Print Your Pairing Code screen displays, click Print Pairing Code. The printer will print a page with the pairing code listed. Hold on to this page as you will need this code later in the setup process. The pairing code is valid for 2 hours. If the code expires, return to the pairing code screen in HP EasyStart to print a new pairing code. In the HP EasyStart software, click Open HP Smart Admin to open the HP Smart Setup web page. This page can also be reached by searching for hpsmart.com/activate. Click Continue. On the HP Smart Setup page, sign in to your HP account, or if you don't have an HP account, select Sign Up. If you are creating an account, enter your information, create a password, and then click Create Account. A verification code will be sent to the email address that you entered. Enter the verification code and then click Verify. Once your account is verified, click Continue. When prompted, select an account type. You can choose from company managed or personal, then click Continue. Note: If you choose the company managed account type, you will be prompted to assign a printer owner. To accept the terms on the Connected Printed Services page, select Accept All. When prompted for the pairing code, enter your pairing code that was printed earlier. Click Continue. When prompted, give your printer a name and location and click Continue. Or if you do not want to add these details, click Skip. Click Confirm to agree to the HP Plus Smart Printer requirements. The HP Plus activation process begins. A message will display when HP Plus activation is complete. Once HP Plus activation is complete, an Instant Ink offer page displays. Instant Ink is an ink or toner monthly subscription where you can get cartridges delivered to you based on the amount of pages you print. To sign up for an Instant Ink subscription, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. If you would prefer to sign up at a later time, you can also choose to skip the offer for now. On the Finish Printer Setup page, click Setup next to the Setup Print and Send a Test page option. Click Install next to the Install a Print Driver option to download the print driver. After the driver has downloaded, click the .exe file to start the printer driver installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the print driver installation. This includes reading and accepting the installation terms and choosing whether or not you would like to share data. If prompted, select Automatic Setup to allow the software to automatically detect your printer. Follow the remaining prompts and options, and the driver setup process completes. Once the driver installation is complete, click Print next to Print a Test page to ensure the printer is set up and ready to print. Click Done to close the Setup, Print, and Send a Test page window. At the bottom of the Finish Printer Setup page, click Go to HP Smart Admin to open HP Smart Admin Dashboard. From here, you can manage your printer, monitor print usage, view your HP Instant Ink plan, and manage settings and notifications for your HP Plus account. Note: HP recommends bookmarking the HP Smart Admin Dashboard so you can easily access it again to manage your printer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.